Hello and welcome to this GCSE Business video on the concept of breaking even. This is something that you will likely face in your exam, so it's important you understand it. The break-even is the point where a business makes no profit and no loss. It simply covers its costs. To work it out, you need three key figures: fixed costs, variable costs per unit, and the selling price. Fixed costs stay the same regardless of output, such as rent or insurance, while variable costs change depending on how much is produced, like materials or packaging. The formula for break-even output is fixed costs divided by selling price minus variable cost per unit. For example, if fixed costs are £1,000, the selling price is £10 and variable cost is £6. The contribution per unit is £4, meaning the business must sell 250 units to break even. Selling more than this leads to profit, while selling fewer results in a loss. Businesses use break-even to set sales targets, decide prices, and assess risk before launching a product. In exams, students often forget to show workings or confuse contribution with profit. So always write the formula and label each step clearly to secure full marks. Hopefully you have found this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.